In the quiet hills of rural Bulgaria, mornings begin with the soft clatter of milk pails and the scent of wood smoke. Here, yogurt isn't just food. It's heritage, a craft passed from grandmother to granddaughter, shaped by time, patience, and a remarkable little bacterium found nowhere else on Earth. The process begins with fresh milk from free-grazing cows or sheep. In these villages, animals roam on wild herbs, thyme, mint, St. John's wort, giving the milk a flavor impossible to replicate in industrial farms. As they wander through open meadows and forest edges, they naturally choose the most aromatic plants, which subtly infuse the milk with a gentle sweetness and a hint of the mountain air. Bulgarian villagers say you can taste the mountain in the milk. Farmers often say the milk changes with the seasons, richer in spring, more fragrant in summer, and deeply creamy by early autumn. This is why every batch of village yogurt carries its own quiet signature, a taste shaped entirely by nature. The fresh milk is gently heated in large metal pots, not boiled, just warmed to the perfect temperature. Too hot, and the bacteria die. Too cool, and the yogurt won't set. Traditional makers judge the temperature not with a thermometer, but with the back of the hand, a skill learned over decades. Now comes the magic. Lactobacillus bulgaricus, the bacterium discovered in 1905 by Bulgarian Dr Stamen Grigorov. It's the reason Bulgarian yogurt is thicker, tangier, and famously linked to longevity. The mixture is poured into handmade ceramic pots, each one slightly imperfect, each one unique. This bacterium naturally thrives only in Bulgaria's climate, which is why authentic Bulgarian yogurt tastes different, even when the recipe is copied abroad. Some families use the same pot for decades, believing it remembers the flavor. The porous clay helps regulate temperature, allowing the yogurt to set slowly and evenly. The pots are wrapped in wool blankets and left to rest. Over the next few hours, the bacteria transform the milk into a thick, velvety yogurt. No machines, no shortcuts, just time and nature. In some villages, people still check the yogurt by gently tilting the pot. If it trembles like soft jelly, it's perfect. When the blankets are lifted, the yogurt has set into a smooth, glossy surface. Thick enough to hold a spoon upright. Rich enough to be a meal on its own. In the village, yogurt is eaten plain, with honey, or with fresh fruit. It's breakfast, lunch, medicine, and comfort. A food so simple, yet so deeply tied to Bulgarian identity. Bulgarian yogurt isn't just enjoyed on its own. It becomes the heart of several beloved national dishes that have been passed down through generations. From the refreshing chill of Tarator, to the creamy simplicity of ayran, and the ancient sweetness of yogurt with honey and walnuts, these recipes show how deeply yogurt is woven into everyday life. Each dish highlights a different side of Bulgaria's culinary soul. Cooling, nourishing, and beautifully rustic. Tarator is Bulgaria's summer treasure. Cold yogurt, cucumbers, garlic, dill, and walnuts. Refreshing, light, and older than many European cuisines. Ayran is simple: yogurt, water, and a pinch of salt. But in Bulgaria, it's often made with village yogurt, giving it a creamy, almost silky texture. A dessert as old as the Thracians. Thick yogurt, wild mountain honey, and crunchy walnuts. Simple, ancient, unforgettable.